Eto na naman tayo sa isa nawang potential league-shattering storyline. Bagong ulat mula kay Brett Siegel ng Clutch Points na si Steph Curry mismo ang nagpaplanong makipag-meet kay LeBron James bago magsimula ang free agency para ibenta yung idea ng pagpunta sa Bay Area. Matapos ang ilang taon na tapatan at 4 na sunod na NBA Finals battle, ang dating mortal enemies ay posibleng maging teammates. On paper, para siyang NBA 2K fantasy draft na nagkatotoo. Pero kung hihimayin natin ang sitwasyon ng Golden State Warriors ngayon, may dalawang magkaibang panig ang usapan na ito. Ang pangarap para sa isang huling championship run at ang realidad ng isang aging franchise. Tingnan muna natin ang kabilang side kung bakit ito isang napakalaking sugal na baka hindi dapat gawin ng Warriors. Ang pinakamalaking issue dito ay yung direction ng team. Sobrang kailangan ng Golden State na mag-focus sa pag-acquire ng youth at athleticism. Noong nakaraang season, ang Warriors ay ang pinakamatandang average age sa buong liga at nakita naman natin yung resulta dahil hindi man lang sila umabot ng playoffs ngayong 2026. Sa modern NBA, kung wala kang mga batang manlalaro na kayang sumabay sa takbuhan at depensa ng mga powerhouse teams tulad ng OKC Thunder, may iwan ka talaga. Ang pagdagdag ng isang 41-year-old LeBron sa core ni na Steph, Draymond Green at Jimmy Butler ay lalong magpapatanda sa roster. Isa pa, may malaking problema sa basketball fit at financial constraint. Kung makukuha man nila si LeBron sa pamamagitan ng sign and trade, baka kailangan nilang i-let go si Kristaps Porzingis o i-trade si Jimmy Butler na galing pa naman sa ACL injury. At kung sakaling magkasama-sama si LeBron, Butler, Draymond sa floor, magiging masikip ang spacing. Parehong kailangan ni na LeBron at Butler ng bola para maging effective at hindi na sila maituturing na elite outside threats ngayon. Ang spacing na kailangan ni Steph para mag-operate sa perimeter ay magiging barado, malayo sa formula ng kanilang 2022 championship run na binuo sa paligid ng shooters at versatile defenders. At huwag din natin kalimutan ang usaping culture at legacy ng franchise. Ang susunod na 2 taon ng Warriors ay dapat tungkol sa pagbigay ng tamang pagtatapos sa sarili nilang dynasty para kina Steph, Draymond at Coach Steve Kerr. Si LeBron James ay kilala sa pagiging magnet ng spotlight at kung saan siya mapunta, doon nakatutok ang buong media. Medyo awkward isipin na ang huling yugto ng itinuturing na pinakadakilang trio sa kasaysayan ng Warriors ay masasapawan ng tila isang retirement tour ng isang manlalaro na naging pinakamatinding kalaban nila ng ilang taon sa peak years. But on the other side of the coin, let's look at the reality confronting Steph Curry. Tanggapin natin ang katotohanan. This is likely the last shot of Steph Curry to win a 5th championship ring. Steph is already 38 years old and his window to compete at the highest level is closing incredibly fast. Ang roster ng Warriors ngayon is visibly lacking the premium talent required to be a serious contender in the West. Looking at the trade market at free agency, they don't have an easy path to acquire another superstar. That's why kahit mababa yung tsansa at puno ng komplikasyon, going all in on LeBron is a high stakes gamble that is absolutely worth taking. Just imagine the sheer basketball IQ and experience that this partnership would bring on the floor. Even at the stage of his career, we saw in the recent playoffs that LeBron can still elevate his game and perform at an elite level when it matters the most. Kapag pinagsama mo ang lethal scoring gravity of Steph with the generational playmaking and court vision of LeBron, you create an offense that is virtually impossible for opposing coaches to scheme against. We also seamlessly they dominated during their time together with Team USA. Their chemistry is completely natural and wouldn't require a long adjustment period at all. When it comes to financial sacrifice, LeBron might actually be willing to accommodate the move. He has already earned $580 million over his career alone, not even counting yung kanyang mga endorsements. Kung ang habol lang niya ay 5th championship at cement his legacy, he might seriously consider taking a massive pay cut or even accepting the non-taxpayer mid-level exception worth around $15 million per season. This financial flexibility would give the Warriors front office enough room to be in the below sa hard cap that will surround them with younger athletic role players to balance out the bench depth. Ultimately, this planned meeting between Steph Curry and LeBron James highlights the sheer desperation and hunger of two legendary icons who wants to win one more time before they retire. Marami mang dahilan kung bakit hindi to dapat gawin ng Golden State, from the financial constraints, the defensive issues, to the extreme aging of the roster. It is still incredibly hard to dismiss the cultural impact of seeing two icons in the same uniform. If the Warriors' goal is to play it safe and slowly transition into a rebuild, then they should definitely stay away from this deal. Pero kung ang layunin mo ay to give Steph every available weapon for one final historic run, this is a risk they have to take. There is also a strong possibility that this entire rumor is just a leverage play by LeBron to secure more guaranteed or a better contract extension galing sa Los Angeles Lakers. Especially, nagbago yung dynamic nila nung kinuha si Luka Doncic. Pero kahit na ganun yung sitwasyon, Steph has absolutely nothing to lose by making his personal sales pitch. It simply proves that he is willing to do whatever it takes, even aligning with his ultimate career rival, just to give himself a fighting chance at the top of the NBA mountain. The decision now rests on the Warriors front office, whether they choose a safe future or one last unpredictable shot at glory.